In this video, we're going to show you how to set up Google Tag Manager with ShopWired, and we'll also provide a quick explanation of what ShopWired is and how it works. Stick around until the end for an exclusive offer and a recommendation for a better solution. First off, let's talk about ShopWired. It's an e-commerce platform that helps you easily create an online store. Whether you're starting out or scaling up, it offers a lot of features for product management, payment integration, and shipping options. But one thing that can make a huge difference in tracking and improving your store's performance is integrating Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager is a powerful tool that allows you to manage and deploy marketing tags, like analytics, conversion tracking, or remarketing, without needing to modify your website's code. This integration makes it easy to manage tags efficiently and optimize your store's performance. Next thing you'll want to do is create a Google Tag Manager account if you don't already have one. Head over to tagmanager.google.com and sign up or log in. Once you're in, click Create Account, choose your country, and set up your container. The container is essentially where all your tags, triggers, and variables will be stored. After you've set up your container, you'll be given a snippet of code to insert into your website. This is where the integration with ShopWired comes in. Now, with ShopWired, you don't have to dig deep into coding to add this. You can easily integrate Google Tag Manager by going to your ShopWired admin panel. Find the Settings section, and under Advanced Settings, you'll see the Custom Scripts section. This is where you'll paste the Google Tag Manager container code. Once you've pasted it in, save the changes and head over to Google Tag Manager. From here, you can start adding tags, triggers, and variables for analytics or other tools like Facebook Pixel, Google Ads conversion tracking, or even custom scripts for A/B testing. For example, if you want to track conversions on your thank you page, you can set up a tag to fire when the page is loaded. The next thing to check is whether your tags are firing correctly. In Google Tag Manager, you can use the preview mode to make sure your tags are working as expected. It's a good practice to test everything before going live. The fourth thing to remember is that ShopWired has some great native integrations, but Google Tag Manager really shines when you need flexibility. With GTM, you can deploy a wide range of tracking and marketing tags without needing to ask for developer help every time you want to update or add a tag. This flexibility is important for growing businesses that want to optimize marketing efforts quickly. However, while ShopWired is an excellent platform for e-commerce, Google Tag Manager integration can be tricky if you're new to it. Plus, not all features are intuitive, and you may face challenges if you want to implement more advanced setups. It's a powerful tool, but it's not the easiest for beginners, and other platforms can offer a smoother experience when it comes to marketing and analytics integration. Now, here's the part you're really going to want to stick around for. While ShopWired offers great tools for e-commerce, there are alternatives out there that are better suited for your goals with Google Tag Manager. If you're looking for something that gives you even more control over your tags and data analytics, there are platforms that integrate Google Tag Manager seamlessly and offer a more user-friendly setup. Through our exclusive link, you'll get access to a better alternative with a free trial, offering even more flexibility and features. This platform is designed to help you grow faster and optimize your store's performance better than ShopWired can, all while managing your tags with ease. And as an added bonus, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, be sure to check out the link in the description for that extended free trial and see how this alternative can help take your online store to the next level.